Have you experienced moments when the world seemed to shift mysteriously, making you feel detached and disoriented? Do you ever feel like you are losing your mind because your surroundings seem to change in inexplicable ways? If you have, you are not alone, and you are not insane. Many spiritual searchers, including Dolores Cannon, would describe your experience as a spiritual awakening. Dolores Cannon, a well-known hypnotherapy and spiritual teacher, devoted herself to unraveling life's profound layers. She acknowledged that our souls are on an extraordinary journey of development and evolution, and that this journey can sometimes take us to experiences that are plain perplexing in a society dominated by the physical and material. It's easy to disregard your soul's whispers and the universe's gentle nudges, but what if I told you that the invisible, mysterious, and unexplainable are all essential components of your awakening? These experiences may make you question your sanity, but they're actually potent indicators that you are on a transforming path toward greater awareness. Her teachings provide a comprehensive understanding of the indications and experiences that follow spiritual awakening. Without further ado, here are the 14 signs that you are experiencing a spiritual awakening. Do you find yourself delving into life's deeper mysteries lately? Questions about your purpose, reality's nature, or the existence of a higher power? This self-reflection marks a spiritual awakening. Seeking meaning is uniquely human. It's what propels us beyond mere survival. When you question life's purpose, you're embarking on a journey of self-discovery and enlightenment. It's an acknowledgement that there's more to existence than meets the eye. What's beautiful about this quest is that it leads to exploration. You turn inward through meditation, self-reflection, and maybe even seek wisdom from spiritual teachings or ancient texts. Questioning these profound mysteries isn't madness, it's awakening to the infinite marvels of the universe. Have you noticed your intuition becoming keener, guiding your decisions with insights that defy logical explanation? Trust in your intuition deepens as you undergo awakening. It acts as your inner compass, a link to wisdom beyond logic. Throughout awakening, your intuition becomes a steadfast guide through life's twists. It's akin to having a direct line to your inner knowing. Have confidence in your intuition, it's a valuable gift for your journey. While it might not always align with your rational mind, it understands the way. Heightened intuition signals you're accessing an inherent well of wisdom within. Have you felt a change in your actions, steering away from ego-driven tendencies towards fostering humility and genuineness? Letting go of the ego marks a pivotal step in awakening. The ego, that internal voice defining your identity, often breeds discord and division. Amidst spiritual awakening, you realize you aren't your ego, you're the consciousness beyond it. This realization marks a profound shift in awareness. Letting go of ego-driven habits opens the door to authenticity. You become truer, more aligned with your genuine self. Though challenging, it's a necessary process, a route to freedom from the confines of the egoic mind. Embrace this path of ego dissolution. It signifies liberation, not insanity. Have you encountered a string of significant coincidences that seem to resonate with your thoughts and aspirations? These synchronicities often emerge as you align more with your genuine self. They're akin to universe winks, affirming you're on the right track. Synchronicities are moments when external occurrences beautifully synchronize with your inner world. These meaningful coincidences aren't haphazard, they reflect the interconnectedness of everything. Pay heed to these synchronicities, they're cosmic messages guiding you toward your highest potential. They reassure you that this journey isn't solitary, unseen cosmic forces support you along the way. Have you noticed a newfound sensitivity to your surroundings? Perhaps the vibrant hues of a sunset or the gentle whispers of leaves in the wind strike you more intensely? This heightened awareness signals your awakening. In the rush of daily life, beauty often slips by unnoticed. But during this awakening, your senses awaken, revealing a richer world. It's like a veil lifting, unveiling life's intricate tapestry. This awareness, a precious gift, reminds you that existence holds more than meets the eye. Embrace it, It lets you grasp life's fullness. Take moments to cherish sunset's colors, tune into nature's symphony, and marvel at daily miracles. You're not crazy, you're awakening to the beauty that's always been present. Have you begun reassessing your relationships and stepping away from negative or toxic influences? Evolving often means outgrowing certain connections. Your awakening involves shedding the old and embracing the new, including your relationships. With spiritual growth, you become more mindful of the energies you let into your life. Toxic relationships can deplete your energy and impede your progress. It's not madness to distance yourself from negativity, it's self-preservation. You're safeguarding your inner light from those who might dim it. Surround yourself with individuals who uplift and bolster your journey. You deserve relationships that nurture and support your soul. Do you find yourself more compassionate and empathetic toward others? Spiritual awakening often fosters a profound sense of connectedness to all living beings, resulting in heightened empathy. Empathy serves as a bridge connecting us to the hearts of others. Throughout your awakening, you expand your ability to feel what others feel, recognizing the shared humanity that unites us. This empathy isn't a sign of weakness, it's a testament to strength and growth. Becoming more empathetic transforms you into a beacon of light for those around you. Your kindness and compassion possess the power to heal and inspire. So, let your empathy flow freely, it's evidence of your awakening heart. Are you diving into books, workshops, or seeking guidance from spiritual mentors to broaden your understanding? The hunger for knowledge signals growth. Knowledge acts as a key unlocking doors to deeper understanding. In your awakening, there's a craving for wisdom and insight, seeking answers to long-held questions. Pursuing knowledge is an honorable path leading toward enlightenment. Remember, knowledge isn't a burden, it's a gift empowering informed decisions and offering clarity amidst life's complexities. Embrace your thirst for knowledge, it signifies active engagement in your personal evolution. Have you experienced moments of profound clarity and insight, where complex issues suddenly make sense and connections between seemingly unrelated things become clear? Consider these aha moments as precious gifts during your awakening. They are like rays of light breaking through the clouds of confusion, offering glimpses of the profound wisdom within you. In your spiritual awakening, your intuition sharpens, enabling you to access a deeper well of knowledge. Embrace these moments of clarity. They guide you toward a profound understanding of yourself and the world. They are markers on your journey, affirming that you are not lost but finding your way. Have you felt a whirlwind of emotions lately, swinging from deep joy to profound sadness? This roller coaster of feelings often accompanies a spiritual awakening as you confront your inner self. It's completely fine to experience these emotions intensely. It shows you're connecting with your genuine self. Throughout this awakening, you're unraveling layers of societal expectations that mask your true emotions. You're courageously addressing fears, insecurities, and past hurts head-on, and it can feel overwhelming. But remember, these emotions don't signal madness, they signal bravery. You're allowing yourself to heal and release what no longer serves you. It's a cleansing process, making space for a truer version of yourself to emerge. Let those emotions flow, they're clearing the path to your genuine self. Do you actively pursue inner peace and tranquility? Many experiencing awakening seek harmony amidst life's chaos. Amidst the clamor, seeking inner peace is a noble quest. It reminds you that your essence isn't defined by external chaos but by the calm within. Your soul craves stillness, and your awakening leads you to it. Find inner peace through practices like meditation, mindfulness, and self-care. Create a sanctuary within, where calm prevails amidst life's storms. This journey towards inner peace showcases your resilience and strength. Seeking it isn't odd, it's reclaiming your inner sanctuary. Have you felt a profound interconnectedness with all living beings, transcending differences in race, culture, and species? This deep connection signifies a spiritual awakening. Feeling connected to all life embodies the essence of unity consciousness. It's an understanding that we're all integral threads in the cosmic fabric, each of us vital to the whole. This awareness dissolves the illusion of separation. Your awakening serves as a bridge, uniting perceived gaps between individuals and nations. It's a reminder that love and compassion surpass all boundaries. Feeling this profound connection isn't madness, it's aligning with the truth of your existence. Do you feel an inexplicable pull to immerse yourself in nature, finding solace and inspiration in its beauty? Connecting with the natural world often accompanies spiritual awakening. Nature has a unique ability to ground us and rekindle our authentic essence. During awakening, you might yearn for the tranquility of a forest, the expansiveness of the ocean, or the simplicity of a garden. These natural havens become your sanctuaries. Nature mirrors the divine, underscoring the interconnection of all life. Answering nature's call is reconnecting with your untamed spirit. Seeking solace in nature isn't unusual, it's a return to your origins. Have you noticed moments of timelessness, where the past and future fade, leaving you fully immersed in the present? This presence is a crucial facet of awakening. In the present, you connect with the eternal. Timelessness is a state where the weight of the past and the concerns of the future lose their grip on your consciousness. In these moments, you exist entirely in the now, fully alive. These instances of presence offer a taste of enlightenment, a reminder that you aren't confined by time's constraints. You're a timeless being having a temporary human experience. Cherish these moments, they offer a glimpse into the infinite. Your awakening marks a journey of self-discovery, growth, and enlightenment. Remember, you're not alone on this path. Many souls have trodden it before, and many more will follow. Your awakening showcases your courage, strength, and willingness to embrace life's mysteries. You're not losing your mind, you're embracing your true self more fully. Keep moving forward, one step at a time. Every sign of awakening signifies your journey toward becoming the most genuine, compassionate, and enlightened version of yourself. You're not crazy, you're beautifully and divinely awake. Your awakening isn't solely personal, it's a gift to the world.